This is a Lamborghini about to crash into a construction site trying to build a car dealership. Ready, set, go.
We're going to start the waiting now.
Yeah. No. Oh no. Oh no, my car's going out of control.
That's the end.
Hope you enjoyed. That was a Lamborghini crashing into a construction site.
Hey, mister, let me talk. This is the Lamborghini crashing, and we all messed it up, so probably next video is going to be about one day before.
Don't tell them what the next video is going to be about.
Oh, come on!
Okay, don't press it yet. Please like and subscribe to Super Bros, and we're